What is TF-IDF? Okay, picture this. You've got a tall stack of resumes on one side and a job description on the other. You want to pick the best match. But how do you know which resume really stands out? Not just because it's long, but because it says what matters. That's where TF-IDF comes in. It sounds fancy, but it's actually a clever way to spot which words truly count and which are just noise. TF-IDF stands for Term Frequency Inverse Document Frequency. Let me break it down. First, term frequency, or TF. Imagine you're reading a resume and you notice the word node.js popping up again and again. Every time node.js appears in that document, its TF goes up. It's like giving a word more points the more it's used in a single document. Now here's the twist. Not all words are created equal. Some words, like the and is, are everywhere. They show up in every single resume. These are like background noise at a party. You hear them so much you stop noticing. That's where inverse document frequency, or IDF, jumps in. Instead of asking, how often does this word appear in one resume? IDF asks, how rare is this word across all resumes? If a word like node.js shows up in just a handful of resumes, it's special. But if you see developer everywhere, not so much. Now here's the magic. You multiply TF and IDF together. The result is the TF-IDF score. A high score means the word appears a lot in this document, but it's rare in the overall stack. That means it's super relevant. A low score? That word is either too common or it barely shows up at all. Not worth focusing on. Let's see this in action. Suppose the job description says, looking for a Node.js developer with MongoDB skills. Node.js developer MongoDB resume. A talks about Node.js, MongoDB and Express. Node.js MongoDB Express. All these keywords match the job description, and they're not that common in every resume, so each gets a high TF-IDF score. Resume B mentions Python and data science. Python data science. Those words might be cool, but they don't overlap with the job's rare, important words. So, TF-IDF gives them a low score for this job. That's why when you use TF-IDF in your code, it highlights resumes like Alice's, the ones that talk about Node.js, MongoDB, Express, and AWS. Node.js, MongoDB, Express, AWS. It finds what's rare and relevant, not just what's common. So next time someone asks, what is TF-IDF? Just say, it's a smart word counter that finds what really matters.